Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where would I into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity? Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet design. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. In this video, we show you the some crochet wide bags designs collection. These all collection are very useful in winter. These collection will definitely help you to improve your personality. These are all handmade crochet wide bag designs collection. You can see the beauty of these crochet wide bags designs collection. New ideas crochet wide bag designs collection. Beautiful and different color combination crochet wide bags designs collection. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.